from Saladmaster here in Perth. And today I'm going to show you our crispy fried chicken without a single drop of oil. So I'm going to use my electric skillet, but you can also do it on your normal stovetop cookware. Now what I need to do, I have to preheat the cookware 230 degrees, and then you have to test the cookware by putting some water. Water dancing like pearl, that's what I need. Meaning it's ready, about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I have chicken here, chicken thigh cutlets with bones, because I want to show you it's cooked to the bone. Because chicken has salmonella. So we try to avoid cooking with the blood still inside. And the one with skin on. So it's up to you what you want. I did not put anything here. No oil, no salt, no seasoning. Because meat has natural oil and salt. If you have a proper cookware like this, that natural flavor will come out. So you don't need to put anything. And it tastes nice. Now, I'm going to put the chicken. No oil means no splashes. And then it's good for people who are suffering from high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Because high cholesterol is from too much oil and high blood pressure is from putting too much salt. So avoiding those things will definitely help you improve your health. I'm going to set the time now at 15 minutes. And later after 15 minutes it will stop. Then we will turn it over and cook it for another 12 minutes. Because it has bones, that's why it's longer to cook. 27 minutes in total. But if it doesn't have bone, then you can cook it for 10 minutes both sides. And as you can see, it will stick in the beginning. We don't use non-stick cookware. But after 15 minutes, you can easily flip it over. And I just want to show you how much oil is coming out of the chicken in just 1 minute. Have a look. You see that? If you have Saladmaster, you don't put oil. You remove the oil out of the chicken, not putting the oil into the chicken. That is very good for your health. As for the lid, you have to keep it a bit open so that the moisture will come out. So we're gonna have a crispy fried chicken. And this is how it looked like after 15 minutes. Time to flip it. Now again, let's put the lid a bit open. Temperature at 230 degrees for 12 minutes this time. That's it. After 12 minutes, here's our crispy fried chicken without a single drop of oil. And this is the amount of oil that we were able to collect from the chicken. This is from 6 pieces of chicken without any oil. It's just coming from the chicken. Look how much oil we were able to get. If you don't have Saladmaster, this goes to your body already. But then we need to put more oil if it's an ordinary cookware. So just imagine one cooking only. How many times do you fry in a week? Just imagine. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!